So I'm gonna tell the story आगे क्या हुआ कैसे हुआ, if I got rejected or I got selected. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mansi. I hope you all are safe and doing well. Welcome back, and it's almost 12 a.m. and as you all know, I'm going for the interview. My bag almost. This is my resume and passport and सब कुछ like watch वगैरह carry किया है. So as you all know, I'm going to Mumbai. So I'll be staying at my friend's house. ये मैंने heels pack करे हैं. This is makeup, skincare and perfume, and this is the bag which I'll be carrying for the interview day. And this is my notepad and everything. See how it goes. I am really nervous and also excited at the same time. Air India का मैं first time interview दे रही हूँ. So I don't know how it's gonna be. What is this? Let's see. Fingers crossed. So tomorrow I will start my journey in the evening. Like I will leave for Mumbai at around 5 p.m. और मेरा इंटरव्यू मुंबई में है इन विले पार्ले आई थिंक. एंड आई विल बी ट्रैवलिंग बाय कैब टुमारो एंड मैं अपने फ्रेंड के घर पे रहूँगी. एंड द इंटरव्यू इज़ ऑन 13th ऑफ September. टुडे इज़ 12th ऑफ September. ऑलरेडी 12 बज चुके हैं. सो इट्स मंडे ऑलरेडी. द इंटरव्यू इज़ ऑन ट्यूसडे and let's see यार कैसे होता है. My friend, she already got through it, so she's just gonna accompany me there. And I pretty much know how it's gonna be, but interview के दिन कुछ भी हो सकता है. So let's just see what happens, and I'm gonna take you through my entire interview journey, so you guys also can experience it and prepare it if you at all. So Air India का जो ड्रेसिंग है, it like they don't have any strict dress code. It's just that we have to wear western attire. So this time I'm gonna wear trousers, a shirt and a blazer, and I'm gonna tie a bun of course. And बाकी कुछ नहीं, like I have prepared everything according to the interview what I'm supposed to prepare. और मैंने एक वीडियो भी बनाया है how to prepare for interview, so I'll mention it here somewhere. Do check it out. And also I'm gonna explain मैंने क्या क्या लिया है in the next half or something like that. But for now, so their mandatory documents are passport, Aadhaar card, PAN card and a hard copy of your resume. So this time the interview is walk-in. सो मैं वॉक इन जा रही हूँ. ऑल्सो उनके वेबसाइट पे आप अप्लाई भी कर सकते हो. लाइक स्टिल आई एम गोना शो इट हियर समवेयर. यू कैन जस्ट सिलेक्ट. इट इज़ कैबिन क्रू लिमिटेड, सम एयर इंडिया कैबिन क्रू लिमिटेड समथिंग. यू हैव टू अप्लाई इट ऑनलाइन. लाइक यू हैव टू अपलोड योर रेज्यूमे, फिल सर्टेन डिटेल्स व्हाट दे आर आस्किंग, एंड द सिलेक्टेड प्रोफाइल्स दे विल सेंड यू एन ईमेल. इन दैट गूगल फॉर्म, वो गूगल फॉर्म है. इन दैट दे हैव ऑल्सो गिवन एन ऑप्शन विच सिटी यू वुड लाइक टू गेट interviewed on. So वो वाला एक तरीका है, but I'm going for walk-in. So I directly have to reach the venue, give the interview, and it's a one-day process. I hope so, because बहुत से interview locations पे दूसरे दिन भी बुलाते हैं. So I don't know what is gonna happen in Mumbai. So let's just see. और पुणे में भी था लास्ट मंथ, बट मैं नहीं गई बिकॉज आई गॉट टू नो वेरी लास्ट मिनट. सो दैट्स वाई आई हैव टू ट्रैवल ऑल द वे टू मुंबई. हाउएवर मेरा जो लाइफ का फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू था, नहीं सेकेंड इंटरव्यू था जो मैंने इंडिगो में दिया था, वो भी मुंबई में ही दिया था. सो आई हैव गॉट थ्रू ऑल द टाइम, लाइक अटैम्प्ट में, पहले अटैम्प्ट में ही. सो आई एम नॉट इन माई 7वें आसमान पर कि ये टाइम भी हो जाएगा, बट आई एम गोना गिव माई बेस्ट दिस टाइम एज वेल. But there are certain things I would like to discuss with HR first before, if at all I get selected and all. So let's see क्या होता है. I'm just tensed for that only. But it's gonna be fun, and I really hope that I'm able to capture all the things and show it to you guys. Let's see. Alright guys, so I'm gonna end this night vlogging here and I'm gonna guys see you soon tomorrow. I will just record little tidbits of my travel, and then हम मिलते हैं परसों इंटरव्यू के दिन. नहीं परसों नहीं, आई थिंक कल एंड कल ही आई थिंक, आज ऑलरेडी मंडे. सो I'll see you on Tuesday on the interview day. Bye, good night. Hi guys, next day I am leaving to Mumbai now. I have packed right there. You can set to go. Please wish me luck and I will see you guys when I reach in Mumbai. Bye bye. Started the trip. Quite nice weather in Pune for now. बहुत बारिश गिरा था कल, आज थोड़ा गिरा दोपहर में, but now it's fine. Welcome back. It's morning. It's very early in the morning actually. It's 7, not 7, I think 7:45 something. I'm leaving now with my friend and the lighting is very running late. So let's see.
Hi Sana. So we've just come to the metro station. It's raining very heavily now, but yeah, it's raining.
Working hours में guys, see the traffic. Hi guys, little update. We are running late.
Like always.
Yeah, like always. Our interview was at 9:30, like mine. But it's already कितना है Sana? What's the time?
It's 10 right now.
So I'm already 40 minutes late. But it's okay. Walk-in interview है. So the best part about walk-in interview is like you can go up till certain time.
So there's a timing from 10:30 to 12:30.
So wish me luck. Let's see. Thanks Sana for coming with me.
Always.
She has already done this accompanying me to it. So I keep you. It's crazy. 30 minutes for us to reach there. So I think we'll make it by 10:40 or something. Bye. Hey guys, I am on the Mumbai streets. I'm in Nora Road and she's very shy. Sana? I'm not shy. So we have come to a shop. We get good chai here, I heard. Sana told me. So and with interview day. Sir, OOTD. Sana, come at least here. She's so shy.
I'm not shy, I'm just so tired. I mean, it's so exhausting.
Inside. Ja andar. So we're just gonna enjoy our chai.
We had a very long day.
And we did nails.
Happening.
How do you like your day today? So we left at 8:30.
8:30 in the morning.
We were in metro rickshaw for 2.5 hours. So 8:45 to 11 a.m.
And stuck in horrible traffic. Because
Stuck in horrible traffic.
if you don't get traffic in Mumbai, then क्या ही तुमने रास्तों पे बैठ किया है?
Yeah.
Like that.
Then we reached and she had to wait until 4:30 p.m. From 11 a.m. till 4:30 she was, poor thing, sitting alone. So we just
That's what friends do. It's okay.
So I'm gonna tell the story आगे क्या हुआ, कैसे हुआ, if I got rejected or I got selected. So stay tuned for that video. I'm gonna make a detailed vlog. Not vlog, नहीं, information video. And she's laughing.
Information about
बहुत ऐसे shy लगता है ना? Even I feel.
I'm not that.
Uncle is also watching.
famous
Having pani puri. Don't say that. You're not supposed to say that. Have na? You don't wanna have?
No, you have a bite. He's making me conscious. I'm making me. No, please, yeah.
Yeah, okay, it's very good. You have no?
I just have a bite.
So that's her home, but I am invading. I'm gonna record auntie. That's Anaichi's beautiful mom. Hello, auntie. You're on camera. Smile.
Camera conscious.
Auntie has told me to take her backside, but I'm not gonna take auntie. She's lovely. And that's Granny. Hi, Granny. They're so shy. And this little ball of fur. Soft kitty, warm kitty. उसके नोज को क्या हो गया? अच्छा, कैमरा में अलग कलर. So cute, so cute, so cute. Camera conscious. Are you camera conscious, baby? Angel baby, angel baby, angel baby. Good morning, Sana. Auntie has made us nice.
Oh my god.
Hot chocolate tea.
So bad.
What bad? I'm just vlogging. And a nice omelette because I asked them to make. You look beautiful in the morning also, Sana, without shower also.
I'm not.
And we're gonna have our breakfast with nice and noisy view. Let's see. Where's your cat? She's gone inside. I just hope it dries off till the... You can't do it. Na gloves have stopped na in the flight.
Gloves have stopped. That's the reason we can't put mehendi. So probably once I resign.
Yeah.
So after I think a day or two later, I can probably put one. I can come here and put one.
Yeah. Some mehendi. We were just walking and I asked Sana. That time तो नहीं लगेगा नहीं भैया said just 5 minute में हो जाएगा. I'm doing quick 5 minute mehendi. Looks nice. Sana, you wanna make it?
I'm gonna make a small one here.
Yeah, and she's a crew, guys.
Period.
She's a notice period and she's a crew.
So I can do one small one.
So
And
she's Vijay Malia who is sitting
in London.
in London. Yeah.
So probably I'll just make a small one.
Yeah. Make it. Go for it.
Initially.
My mehendi is almost done. And भैया ने जैसे 5 मिनट बोला था वैसे ही किया है. भैया आपका नाम क्या है? Gulshan. And where are we?
In Mira.
We are in Veera Road, Sheetal Nagar. So if you want to make mehendi from Bhaiya, you can come. He does very nice and quick mehendi at very reasonable prices. Thank you Bhaiya. Thanks Sana. और भैया सनाइची के लिए भी निकालने वाले छोटा सा circle. It's done. Sana, it's time for you. It's really fun, you know. How many years? Ages? I think last time we had made in lockdown, no?
So we had nothing to do in lockdown because we had no flights. So we used to sit
Yeah.
home. And since we had gloves and we were head to toe covered.
Oh, you like rubs? You like that? Hello. Say hi. So guys, this is Alia Bhatt's long lost relative. You know? The same belongs to the same sister family. Bye. So this is my last night here. I am leaving in some time, and dear auntie has made and granny has made this nice fish, Goan fish, rice and dal. Don't talk all this, it's coming in the video, Sana. She's hiding because she doesn't want to come in the video. The granny is so beautiful and bindas. Thank you, granny, for the fish.